Once upon a promise called Nigeria, a nation stood tall with dreams brighter than her flag. We began with hope, pure, vibrant, unbroken. But somewhere between independence and indifference, our leaders forgot the sacred vow to serve, not to rule. They built empires, not nations. They sought titles, not transformation. They filled their pockets while emptying the soul of the country. Our politics became a theater where actors wear ethnic masks and religious robes to deceive, divide, and dominate. They told us to fight for tribe, not truth, to vote for religion, not righteousness. The nation bled, not just from poverty or corruption, but from the absence of moral direction. The failure of leadership is not the failure of elections, it is the failure of conscience. This is our story from darkness to light.